Have you ever wondered why we go Dutch when splitting a bill or say, it's all Greek to me when something's confusing? Join me as we explore the fascinating origins and meanings behind nationality based phrases we use every day. The phrase, when in Rome, do as the Romans do, advises that when you are in a different culture or place, you should adopt the local customs and behaviors to show respect and integrity smoothly. The phrase Russian roulette refers to a little game of chance where a person places a single bullet into a revolver, spins the cylinder, points the gun at their own head, and pulls the trigger, risking death with each attempt. Metaphorically, it describes engaging in activities that involve significant risk or potential disaster. A French twist is a classic updo where hair is elegantly gathered and twisted vertically against the back of the head, creating a sleek, elongated look suitable for formal occasions. The expression, like a Swiss watch, is used to describe something that operates with exceptional precision, reliability, and efficiency, akin to the renowned craftsmanship of Swiss made timepieces. The phrase a Mexican wall is often used metaphorically to describe a formidable barrier or defense, drawing inspiration from the extensive border wall constructed along the US Mexico border to deter illegal crossings. Polish off means to finish something quickly or easily, especially a large amount of food or work. For example, we polish off the whole pie. The phrase Italian job originates from the 1969 British film The Italian Job, which centers on a meticulously planned heist in Italy. Metaphorically, it refers to any well executed, elaborate scheme or operation, especially on involving theft or deception. The phrase Chinese fire drill refers to a chaotic or confusing situation, often resulting from miscommunication or poor coordination. Some other interesting nationality phrases in the next part. Till then, please like, share, and subscribe Explore English with Jainila.